Hello everybody, welcome to Train Sim World 5. We're doing some subway run in England. Our first stop's London, Paddington. We are on the move. Run this old girl up to speed here, slowly. Fingers crossed I don't overshoot the station like I did in the previously attempted recording video. That was interesting. I'm going to assume we have no one on board yet. Actually, we might.
You might.
Next stop, London, Paddington. Next stop, London, Paddington Station. Thank you. Alright, we've got a green light, we're okay. Let's open this bad boy up. Good to know there's only 5 notches of throttle on this thing. Oh yeah, boys. Highball. Let's get it. I believe this is an express run. I have 22 minutes to make it.
How many miles? 34?
Yeah.
The next one? Crank it.
I'm doing 55. I've got this thing wide open right now. Fingers crossed this goes okay. Next stop, London, Paddington. This is an express service to London, Paddington Station. Thank you. Thing is moving. Aye. Yeah, this is the third attempt at trying to record a train sim video. Hasn't gone well for me. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, that was kind of cool. Passing the other train. Did you see that? As we passed that other train, you could hear the as it went past. Anyway, happy Tuesday, everyone. Hopefully you did enjoy the Beam MP video last week on Friday. Gonna try to do more of that. I am going to apologize about the stutters in game. We got highball. We are on the move. 20 minutes to make it. We're doing 90 miles an hour right now.
Oh god, the hiccups.
Yeah, but it's few. They're few and far between, so I don't care.
No, you don't have hiccups when you're doing under 75.
You say that, and there was one right there at 95 miles an hour.
No, in your previous run, you didn't have hiccups at all.
Well, it is a lot of scenery, and we are hauling ass.
That's true.
Only because we were flying through a station at high speeds. 102 miles an hour! We are flying! 29 miles. Hopefully, we'll see how choppy. I have a feeling it's gonna be really choppy at Paddington. Paddington Station in London.
Well, with you going 100+ miles per hour, you're gonna have to slow down before, like, what, a mile?
I'm gonna start slowing down about 5 miles out. Drop it down to like 50. And we won't have as much slowing down to do. We've got the AWS and all that turned off, where I have to hit the button. Very old school and locomotive we got here. I don't know, what else is there to talk about? I have no idea, to be honest. Oh, apologies for no shootout Saturday last week. I was waiting on Western Conference second round games to be confirmed, and I wasn't willing to only have one Western Conference game and then jump back into an Eastern Conference game. So now that we know what the round 2 matches are in the Western Conference, should have a Western Conference playoff video for NHL Shootout Saturday this week, if I remember to do it.
You're getting close to your limit, M-Tails.
I said at 5, speed limit, I know. Back off the throttle. Apologies for the stutters, folks. Not much I can do about it. Seems to hold at notch 3. You seeing that? We're not really gaining speed. 610.
You're barely losing speed too.
Huh?
You're barely losing speed too.
610, 611 amps. Isn't that deadly?
For certain trains, yes.
No, like that would kill a person, wouldn't it? That much electricity through the... I feel like that would not be good for the human body. I am using an Xbox controller for the brakes and the throttle. We're only sounding the horn when we get close to a station just because we're going so quick. Put it back in notch 4 for a minute. I think it'd be... Imagine getting to do this route and getting to go 130 miles an hour. Just open track like this. Pump the sucker up to run 8 and just go.
Bring it down.
We're gonna slow down at like 5 miles out. Or try to.
Yeah, but you brought it up a notch, which was you're speeding up again. 3 was fine.
Did I accidentally bump up to 4? And not
Yeah,
notice? Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Failure. Is that a yellow signal? Unless that's a train on the... that platform doesn't affect us. Never mind. Okay, we have a green light. We're good. We are zooming right now. Still have a green light. Great Western Railway in England. We're on level ground, so we'll see how if we hold speed or if we start to lose it. We'll be ready to slow down here in like 9 miles. Let's slow down at 10.
3. Keep it at 3, and then when you get to 10 miles, drop it down to 2.
I know. I'm gonna start slowing down at 2 miles.
No, slow down at 10.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna start dropping the speed at 10 miles.
You rubber band a bit at the station.
Well, yeah, because I mean we're going through it at 110 miles an hour. Once again, the next station is London Paddington. This is an express service to London Paddington. Thank you.
You only need to announce it once.
A typical English weather.
It's not even raining.
Yes, it is.
Doesn't look like it.
It is, but barely. Classic English weather. Look at this. We're rock steady at 107 miles an hour. There was a big rubber band. Put it in not. Oh, we didn't need notch 4 right there. All right. If anyone's watching this in the UK, do the express trains sound the horn through the stations just to let people know, hey, we're coming? Oh, it's a proper thunderstorm now.
I saw that thunder, or I saw that lightning.
Thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Sorry. Had to make the Imagine Dragons reference. Whoa. Did you see that one? All these people are getting soaked because none of them have umbrellas. We'll put it in one. Start to bleed the speed off here. Alright. The engine's in idle. Put it in initial. We're slowing down, but not too fast. I'm going to assume it's all passengers exit here.
Mm-hmm.
Next stop is London Paddington. All passengers must exit at London Paddington. Thank you. You like how I slowed way down?
Hopefully not too slow.
No, I only dropped it to like 70. Up to notch 2. Well, at least the train's nice and clean. Mother Nature's washing it for us. You would think they would have the pets have like umbrellas or raincoats. If it's rain, you know what I mean?
Yeah, some people don't wear them though.
There's a service depot right there. Look at this, we're just maintaining speed right now. Notch 2, just to keep the speed up. Put it back in notch 1. I have no clue what doors I'm going to unlock either. I'm hoping it'll tell me, you know? Alright, 5 miles to run. Well, 6 miles to run, technically. Back into notch 2. Help maintain that speed. Oh. Well, getting to that station wasn't for us. Put her in idle and see how well she maintains speed. Inside 5 miles to go. Once again, your attention please. All passengers must exit at Paddington Station. Thank you. I believe we're only stopping in London. I don't think we're going anywhere else. Put some notch 1 in it. I'm also ready for that speed limit drop as well, because I have a feeling it's coming. There's a speed limit drop to 50 coming, so we'll be on the brakes for that. And off. .9 of a mile to that speed drop. We're under that speed limit already. 2.5 to the station. No, we're gonna be a few minutes. We're gonna be a minute or two late. Oh well. Run it in notch 1 just to maintain the speed. Two miles to go. There's the speed limit drop to 50. Oh well. I slowed down way too soon, Feisty. I don't know how we were gonna get there at 9:52. Mile and a half away. 1 mile away. Put the brakes in initial. Nice lightning strike again. Start slowing it down. There's a 40 drop. A little more brake. Off the brake. Another speed limit drop impending. We're getting there slowly but surely. As it's continuing to absolutely pour down rain. Using not one just to maintain speed into the station. Right. Throttle comes to idle. The brake into initial. Speed drop is coming. London Paddington station doors on the right hand side. London Paddington station doors on your right. Now we're out of the rain.
Yeah, everybody out.
Get off the train! I said all of you, get out!
You guys can stay in the station, but you can't stay on the train.
Well, we did it. Well, we only lost 17.5 points for speeding. But we got an on-time bonus. That's not bad. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I will see everybody in the next one. Take care.